In this video, I show the formula SUMIF. SUMIFS formula is basically we use to add some numbers to make a total of something based on a criteria. For example, if we have some values in x and y, we want to find the total number of positive data from here. The total number of positive data of x and total number of positive data of y we want to calculate. So we want to make total but based on a criteria which is positive. So let us start with the SUMIF formulas. So SUMIFs, in the SUMIFs formula we have basically three parts. One is sum range. The sum range is the range that we want to add. So here the sum range is from E7 to E47. So let us write E7 to E47. Then we have to write down the criteria range. Now in this question the criteria is positive data. So that means we have to consider the positive numbers of this same range. So the criteria range will be also same like the sum range, which is also E7 to E47. That is the criteria range, and the criteria is positive number, so we have to consider the numbers is greater than 0. So close the parenthesis. So this is the formula of SUMIFS. Press enter key. So we can see the number is returning 63.94, which is the total for positive data. Now let us consider this question total for negative data. So also we can use SUMIFS. And we write down the sum range. Sum range here also is same. So E7 to E47, and the criteria range is also same because we are going to check the same number, is that negative or not. So E7 to E47. Now finally you have to write down the criteria. In this case we have to check the negative number, so we'll write less than 0 and we'll close the parenthesis. So we get the result minus 56.97. And before we have calculated the total, which is 7. That means the total positive data is 63.94 and total negative is minus 53 or minus 56.94. So if we deduct the negative data from the positive, we get total 7. So now we just calculate the same for y-axis. So just we will copy the formula and we'll get it. So in this SUMIFS formula we have seen the sum range and criteria range is same, but it will not be same for every case. So let us see another formula where the SUMIF and the criteria, the sum range and criteria range is not same. So let us go to this question. What is the total distance for year 1998? So you have to find the total distance. Now we know the distance is in column C, in column D, and the year in column A. So let us write down the formula. SUMIFS. Okay. Now we write down the sum range. So here the sum range is the distance. So our distance is D, so write down the D. So either we can write down the D colon D, which will add all the numbers of column D, or we can also write specifically D2 to D4597. So there are many numbers here. So we can, if we want, we can write down the specifically the row numbers. So from D2 to D4597, all this number. that is my sum range, because I'm going to add all this now the criteria. But here all these distances are for many different years, which you can see here. So we are not going to add the distance for all the year, we are going to add only for 1999. So which is the criteria? Now this criteria range is column A. So you have to write the criteria range is from A to A4597. That is the criteria range, and the criteria is here 1999, 1998. So we write down that criteria. So there is a SUMIFS formula for this range. So press the enter key, which is returning this result. So this is all about SUMIFS formula. Thank you very much for watching.